I'm Agnes Padilla. I'm the head of marketing for Uno Digital Bank. We are one of the 6 BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas licensed digital banks in the country. In terms of target market, we are actually targeting the underbanked or unbanked segment of in the Philippines. So we would like to target people who have difficulty opening traditional bank accounts and availing of the products and services of traditional banks to be able to avail of them using Uno Digital app. So a lot of problem with apps. So this is the 3rd app that I've had the opportunity to do marketing work for. One of the problems is actually in engagement. So everyone is doing acquisition, everyone's very aggressive when it comes to acquisition, so that's where a lot of marketing money goes. But once you acquire them, once they are on the platform, you have to ensure that they stay on the platform. And that's where engagement comes in. And for me, those are equally important, those two, because it's a lot more expensive for you to reacquire a customer that you have lost somewhere along the way. So as early as now, from the beginning, we want to make sure that the customers we acquire will be communicated to, will be served relevant messages so that they will stay with us all throughout their financial life cycle. When I moved to Uno, I had the opportunity to set everything up, and we went through the typical bidding process. So we spoke to 4 different customer lifecycle management platform providers, and MoEngage came out as the winner in the end. So it's a combination of several different things. So commercials, of course, will be there, capability of the platform, and for me, one very important factor for me will be support. So I'd like to be sure that, if ever we encounter difficulties, if ever there are questions we need to ask, there's someone in the country, in the market, who will be readily available to provide us assistance. And that's something that MoEngage had, that the other candidates we spoke to did not have. The type of information that we are looking forward to getting will be, for example, monthly active users. So we want to know how often people access the app. We want to know how sticky the app is in terms of how many transactions or how many products they avail of. We want to be able to compute for the customer lifecycle value. Customer lifetime value. And we want to be able to know what types of transactions we can push to bring that customer lifetime value up. So at the end of the day, it's revenue that we're really after. And we believe that the best way for us to increase revenue is to be able to do some sort of personalization and ensure that our customers are engaged every step of the way. Actually, it's the capability of the whole platform that we are looking forward to fully utilizing. So we started out using just emails to reach out to customers, but there are a lot of more effective ways to reach out to customers other than just email, especially here in the Philippines, where email is not the most frequently accessed type of medium. So Viber message, your capability to be able to integrate with the likes of WhatsApp, I think those are coming because it's a good, not really replacement, but it's a good adjunct to SMS, which can be quite expensive. And actually some customers find SMS intrusive. So aside from that, utilizing in-app notifications, push notifications, I think those types of communications will not disrupt the customer experience. And then a new product that was just recently shown to us was this product called Cards. So I think there's a lot of utility for us for that product because, as I mentioned earlier, won't be disruptive to the customer experience at all. Because if the customer doesn't want to see it, then they don't have to access the inbox. But if they feel that they're missing out on anything and they see that notification bell light up, then all they have to do is click on that. So aside from that, it's the analytics that we will be able to have access to. At any given time, we will know what our MAU is. At any given time, we will know if a particular, for example, SMS or email campaign was successful, how many people opened it, how many people clicked on the link, how many people actually read it. So it's really the analytics that we are looking forward to really utilizing 100%.